That's how you get warm?
Real warm up.
That's how you get warm? Oh my God. I'm definitely taking that. Woo! Congratulations. What's up, baby? What's up, MVP? How you doing, baby? Yes, sir. How's your off season? Good. Oh, B, how you doing, man?
Good, you all right?
You all right?
Yeah,
Hey, I'm good.
Everybody good. You?
Good, man. Everybody's good. Busy.
What's up, boy? You good?
Good to see you too, bro. How you feeling? Good? Yes, sir, bro. Have a good one, boy.
Smart day. What's up, my boy? How you doing, bro? You good?
Oh, Sam Gary!
He's trying to be hugging me, dog.
Huh?
He's trying to be hugging me, dog. I got Hobbs.
I'm about to dunk the ball, Wiggs! I'm about to dunk the ball, Wiggs. I'm about to dunk it, Wiggs.
You said Green Bay got a game today? Green Bay? So Aaron Rodgers not coming to the game?
Y'all do me a favor? Can y'all pull up the score of the Laker game for me? On your phone?
LeBron James! Merry Christmas, sweet girl. What'd you get from Santa?
Italian Stallion. How you feeling on this fine Monday evening on Martin Luther King Day?
I'll tell you after.
I'm gonna miss. That's the difference between me and you.
Everybody at home watching this, I'm about to get him pregame blanket.
He scored all year.
That's cappuccino.
Yeah, I'm capable to make any shot on the court, but I'm not out here looking for that.
Hey, Tay, watch this, Tay.
Hey, do the patented side step. No. Do the real one, the gray space. The real one. There we go, there it is. Wait, hold on, how do you get it this way? That's how it is. I got it.
Woo! Hold on, let's go.
Wow!
In your face, JB. In your face.
Hell yeah, I'm going crazy. I'm in beast mode today.
It's never been this cold in Atlanta. They never had to turn the heat on in here.
Feel good in here, baby. It feel good in here, baby. Let's go. We got this one, baby. We got this one tonight.
She make me want to sing. Good. She is excellent. She was excellent. Oh, let's get it.
Let's get it.
Go, baby.
Yes, sir. Hey, come on. What's up, Buckets? How you doing, my guy? Good to see my man. 15-2. You already know.
Hey, you already know. I got your back.
Let's go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Be you, brother.
Yes, sir.
Be you. Matt, control the game. Hey,
Be great.
roll.
Let's get it, Pat. Let's go, these.
Hey!
6'7" No, I'm not 6'9".
6'5" from Pepperdine.
I'm definitely 6'9".
Come on, win on 3. 1, 2, 3, win.
Win on 3. 1, 2, 3, win.
Fournier, fake, fires, and hits.
Oh my God, Ev. I got you, my bad. Oh my God, Ev.
We stand. Good job, automatic. Good shot, boy. Good job. That's a good look. It's a great look, actually.
Hey. I see you, big game. You're watching so much Kobe clips. Watching all the Kobe clips pregame.
Julius Randle banks it in. Bing bong, Julius Randle.
Bing bong. Hey, you a bad man. You a bad man for that one.
Nice, G. Nice guy. He ain't blocking that one. He's not blocking that one.
They call it? Hell yeah. And one. Hey, that's a dime, baby.
Let's real play to release.
I'll face guard you the rest of the game. If I ain't getting no rebounds, you ain't getting none.
That's a good deal. That's a good trade-off, isn't it?
Let's go! Let's go! Woo! Take it to George, George. Take it to the side. Woo! Woo! Woo!
Hey, man. Chill out them threes, bro.
If you do first, okay, that's the deal.
How's your back?
I'm doing well, man. Feel good.
It might be the assist of the year, bro.
Oh, another one. Shoot that thing. He already got 4 of them. He got 4 of them.
Hey! Go crazy, Cam. That's all your noggin. That's all your noggin.
Like it!
Yeah, bees! Yeah, bees!
Oh, I wish I could just have that shot back. Never had it.
Keep shooting. Don't worry about it.
Way to get it back, 6. Good job, Max. Keep shooting.
Everyone shooting with confidence. Everyone shooting.
It's your shot. Don't matter. Good. Come on, get up. Come on. Love that. B! Stay ball.
Good shot, boy. Good shot. Shoot it every time.
Come on! Let's go!
You got to come off the pick because I'm going to hold it because they not trying to switch.
Hey, use the basket. See what I'm saying? That's the and one. Use the basket.
Hey, we just got to trust that we can start here and work our way out. They got 4 shooters.
Hey, no! Hey! Stand right here! Stay right there!
Trying to work on this defense thing.
Let's just keep talking to everyone, making sure we know what we're in. You can help. I'll get yours. You go corner.
Pick it up. Take ball.
Take ball.
Stay ball. One back. Stay ball. I got top. Hey, Bridges. You got Crowder.
By yourself, DB, by yourself. Just by yourself. Let's come left. Screen right.
Stay down. George, trust your help. He got to shoot over the big man. Trust your help. Touch. Yeah, you did the right thing.
We got to be smart. Let's take it up a notch.
Don't let him score. You got ball.
Box, you by yourself. By yourself. I'm going to talk to you. By yourself.
I got ball. Get back. Try to get corner. Get out, Bogey. Right, Bogues.
Stay up. Trey, get him.
I got you. Stay low.
Say square, C. Double. Say square. I got ball. Talk to me here. Oh. Hey, focus on good stops.
Active hands. Stop sign now. Block that chair.
Give me that. No. Give me that. No. Great block.
Hey, that's good defense. It's good defense.
I don't have long enough arms for that.
Luka. That's all.
You don't know the words to this song. Yeah, shoot that. No! I'm getting old, Richard. Fresh juice, freshly squeezed juice right here. Or you can drink.
Hey, boy. You thought you was me for a second, huh? You thought you was me. But if we both can be on SportsCenter if you throw it off the backboard.
Look, this is how I'm going to do it.
Oh! Jitters out.
There you go. Where you at? There you go, D-Lee. Never. I ain't gonna miss 2 in a row now. She got lucky on the first one.
Look what Cat doing for us. Free throws, Cat.
2-7-1. I can't do nothing else. You already in the air. It's good to see you healthy, though. Yeah.
K-Dot, you on TD watch. You on Trip Dub watch. Get you a board, I get you the assist. Oh, yeah! Merry Christmas, dog. That's your first one?
Wiggins again. Here's Curry for the record. It's good! The all-time three-point king in the NBA!
Yes, sir! Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Gave me chills!
Stay space on that hoe. Because if he helps, I have to pass.
They out working us right now. Yeah, we good. We knew they were gonna come out like this.
Keep doing the little things. Hey, little things. Little things, little things.
Third quarters, nothing easy. Nothing easy. Let's go, boy.
So it's just I dribble over the right side, you start over here, and I'm passing, I'm zipping all, I'm coming all the way around. Yeah.
I feel like he's trying to do that thing where he shoots underneath, you know what I mean? Just be patient. Like I'm gonna give you a second. If you got him still, I'm gonna hit you right in the chest. But if he feels like he's fighting around, I'm gonna just wait a second because all the action's over here, so you're good.
We good. We up. We gonna win it.
Way to fight, fellas. Way to fight. Go, man.
Yes, sir! Squeeze. Easy money.
Pass, boy. Pass, C. Woo! Good pass.
Come on, fellas. Just hold it down. 2 minutes. Come on. I'm here.
Another one, JC.
Money time right now. Money time. Money time! Money time! Hey! Ooh, hey! Hey! Ooh, hey! Hey! And one! This way! And one!
Yeah, I like the roll. Hey!
And one! Go crazy, book. And one! Let's go, White. Let's go on a run. Here we go.
Let's finish. Let's finish this. Let's go.
Yeah, boy. Ah! No! I'm out here. 10 toes down. Come on! Early. Be early. You know you the man, be early. You'd rather be early than late. He catch you that low, it's too deep. Come on! Let's go, boy! Don't leave me!
Yes, sir. Up top. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. We'll see y'all. Yeah. Good day. Have a good one, guys.
Yeah! Keep going, bro. Good luck to y'all, man. Stay on. You too. Keep going, Trey. Good luck to y'all, man.
Yep, stay up.
You too. Brother, great to see you, brother. Always. You know it is. And I feel like players need to support each other way more. You know what I'm saying? Man, I appreciate For sure, keep going.
Way to hoop, way to hoop.
I'm gonna need that jersey, my boy. Nah, I'm dead for real.
That was some playoff type stuff. I like that. Ah!